Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming iCloud Photos is active and that you know your Apple ID. Open Photos on your Mac or iCloud. Com in a browser. This is the first actionable step. Next, choose a destination, local folder or external drive, and make sure it has plenty of space. Once done, sign in and prepare to export originals. This preserves hike/RAW quality. I'm guiding you through each click so you don't lose metadata or duplicates. Now you'll export originals so you retain all quality and metadata. On a Mac, select the photos, then File, Export Unmodified Originals. This keeps timestamps and formats intact. If you're using iCloud. Select Ranges and Download. Browsers often create a zip, so unzip before verifying. For very large libraries, use Finder or Image Capture to transfer directly from a connected iPhone to your disk. This avoids browser timeouts. Make sure transfers complete before erasing anything. Finish by verifying everything. Count files, check timestamps and formats, and open random images to confirm integrity. Once satisfied, make 2 backups, one on an external drive and another cloud or offsite copy for redundancy. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Check recently deleted in Photos, pause iCloud syncing, and sign out then back in to force a resync. Retry the download. Finally, label drives and record backup dates so future restores are simple and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.